Hello, this is Paul from Diecast Graveyard. We've had a lot of folks that have tried to sign up for the Sweet 16 giveaway, and there's been some issues being able to comment in the giveaway comment section. First off, you have to go to this video, the 2000 update video, and comment in the comment section. When you go to the YouTube page, make sure you're signed in. Okay, if you're not signed in, you're not going to be able to put any comments in the areas. If you're using a phone, you have to make sure that you have the app opened and you're signed in. If you do this, this should clear everything up for you. This Sweet 16 giveaway, folks, is supposed to be a lot of fun. There's a lot of things that are going to be given away here for free. All you have to do, though, is comment in the right area on the 2000 update video, not this 16 video, and don't comment Sweet 16 on Facebook. That's not going to do you any good, okay? I'm just trying to clarify this for you. Please go to this video, 2000 update video. If you can't find it, go on to my playlist and you can find the video there, okay? I've put links on YouTube pages or on Facebook pages, etc. Go to this video. If you're having a hard time, let me know. I'll do my best to help you sign up for this free giveaway, okay? I'm not trying to make it difficult, I promise. There are a lot of wonderful prizes to be given away during this drawing, so please don't get frustrated, okay? If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. This is the Sweet 16 set that is going to be given away. Like I said, don't get frustrated if you can't comment in it. You just have to make sure that the right things are open in order for you to comment. Okay? So please go to the 2000 video. I'll leave a link at the end of this video for you to get to. Just make sure that your app is open, your YouTube is open, and you're signed in. And if you don't see it, scroll down to the bottom of where the videos are or whatever. It's there, I promise. Okay? I'm trying to make it as easy for you as possible. Just don't get frustrated. Just go to the link in the bottom right-hand corner that you see on your screen right now and click on that. That will take you to the video. Again, folks, make sure you're signed in and you have the app open. Okay? Take care and good luck in the drawing.